Hi children, welcome to your EVS class. You may think why your teacher is standing outside in between all the plants. Because today we are going to start with a new lesson. Before that, let us recollect our second lesson. What was our second chapter? Yes, it was the sun, the moon and the stars. We learned about the sun, the moon and the stars. First we learn about the sun. Sun is a star. It has a family with 8 members. What is the name of that family? Yes, it is the solar system. Next we learn about the stars. The sun and the stars can produce their own light. In stars, we learn about constellations. What are constellations? Group of stars forming an imaginary shape or pattern are known as constellations. We learn different examples also. Next we learn about the moon. The moon is the nearest neighbor of the earth and it is neither a planet nor a star. It revolves around the earth and forms different phases. What are the different phases of the moon? Yes, new moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon and full moon. It will take 28 days to the moon to revolve around the earth once. Okay, very good. I hope all of you understood the lesson very well. Can we move to the next lesson? Yes, very good. It is the third lesson of your textbook. The air, water and weather. So children, as we discussed in our previous lesson, only one planet is there which the life is exist. Which is that planet? Yes, the earth where we are living. Then let me ask one question. Which all factors are necessary to live in the earth? Can you answer my question? Which all factors are necessary to live in the earth? You may tell it is food, it is clothes. What is the correct answer? Yes, the two important things, factors which we need to live, the air and water. Can you see the air? Can you see water? Yes, you can see water, but you cannot see the air. Then how will you feel the air is present here in the atmosphere? When you move your hands like this, you may feel the presence of air. Otherwise, you just blow a balloon. I will show you. I have a balloon with me, so I am going to blow it. Yes, when I blow it, got a shape. What is inside it? So I am going to open my fingers. Then you may feel something is going outside. What is that? That is air. Can you see these all leaves are moving? I didn't touch any leaves. Still they are moving. What is the reason? Yes, because of the wind. Because of the wind, these all plants and leaves are moving. So the moving air is called wind. If it is a strong wind, it will call as storm. So air and water are the two important factors help us to live in the earth. So we can see water but we cannot see air. Air is present in the atmosphere and water is present in ocean, lake, sea, etc., river, etc. What is the atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of air which is surrounded by the earth. In this atmosphere, different types of gases are present. Mainly carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. These three gases are present in the air. What is the change you have noticed in the condition of air while you are standing in a town and in a garden? You might have feel some difficulty to breathe while standing in a town, and you will get fresh air from the garden, isn't it? Because the air of the town is get polluted by the toxic gas carbon dioxide, which is emitted from the factories and vehicles. Which gas is used by animals, including human beings, to breathe? We all know that we use oxygen to breathe. Children, all plants and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is used by plants to make food. As we all know, carbon dioxide is a toxic gas. The process of making food in plants using carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and minerals in the presence of chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. The photosynthesis will take place during the daytime because the presence of sunlight is compulsory to make food in plants. So the plants will not produce oxygen during night time. Only breathing will happen at that time. You can see this from the picture which is given here. Air also has other things. It has water vapor, dust and germs. Air also has smoke and some harmful gases given out by cars and factories. These gases pollute the air. When we breathe in this polluted air, we can fall sick. Let us conclude today's topic. This is our third chapter, Air, Water and Weather. We have discussed two major components which are necessary to live in the earth. They are air and water. Today we discussed about air. Air is present in the atmosphere. First we discussed about wind. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. Then next we discussed about three important gases present in the air or atmosphere. They are oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. We use this oxygen to breathe in and we breathe out the carbon dioxide. By using carbon dioxide, plants produce their food. And again they will leave out oxygen. These are the other components which are present in the atmospheric air. They are water vapor, dust and germs. The atmospheric air gets polluted by the harmful gases given out from the vehicles and factories. So this much was our topic, today's topic. Hope all of you understood the topic. Notes are given below. Please download and study. Which all portions you have to study, I will mention with that. You just follow it. We'll see you in our next class. Until then, stay safe, stay at home.